guys, today we're going to make some of our personal fall favorites. Today this one happens to be our cranberry apple muffins with orange drizzle and strudel on top. These come together really easy, so let's get them mixed up. And to make these amazing treats today, what we're going to use is our French vanilla Formula 1 healthy meal. We're going to use 2 scoops of our protein baked goods mix. We're going to use our active fiber complex in apple flavor, some cranberry herbal aloe drink, some dried cranberries, 1 egg, some baking powder, and water. Okay, so we're gonna mix all of this up, wet ingredients first, then I'll put the dry in on top, incorporate them all into the batter, and then we'll spoon them into some muffin tins and bake them up. Okay, now this is all mixed up. We're going to spray 3 cups in our pan, 3 muffins rather, in our pan. Split this evenly into 3 pieces, and we're gonna bake it at 350 for about 15 minutes. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit of our homemade strudel on top. You can find the recipe for that linked in the description below. Okay, here they are, fresh out of the oven. Now we're going to take them out of here, put them on a plate. Okay, and I have here prepared the drizzle. We're just going to get some in a spoon and drizzle it over the top. And again, you can find the instructions for how to do this and the exact recipe and everything you need attached or linked here in the description of this video. And there we go.